Recently, Mr. Mate met a business owner who proudly said, "We've cut unnecessary expenses this year, including data backup." Mr. Mate paused because he knew this wasn't saving money, it was risking everything. The owner smiled and said, "Nothing will happen to us. We've been running for years without any issues." To him, backup was just another IT expense, something optional. Mr. Mate gently asked, "What if your system crashes tomorrow or ransomware locks your data?" The owner hesitated because he never really thought about that. A few days later, it happened. A system failure, files gone, operations stopped, customers waiting. Panic replaced confidence. Every minute of downtime cost money. Employees sat idle. Clients started calling. Some even walked away. Now the saved expense was turning into a much bigger loss. Mr. Mate stepped in and said, "Data backup is not an expense. It's an investment in your business continuity." He explained, backup means creating a safe copy of your data and system so you can recover anytime. He continued, "With the proper system backup, you don't just recover files. You restore your entire system, applications, and operations quickly." The owner finally understood. Backup is what keeps business running. From that day, the owner changed his approach. Backup was no longer a cost. It became a priority investment because he realized security may fail, but recovery brings you back. And Mr. Mate smiled because another business was now truly protected.